Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from weak Wi-Fi signal? Don't worry, we have a solution for it. In this video, we will discuss how to set up PIXLINK UE02 USB wireless extender. We will show you in easy and short steps how you can set up PIXLINK UE02 USB wireless extender in just a few minutes. So watch this video till the end. First of all, we will start with the product unboxing. The PIXLINK UE02 USB wireless extender box includes the extender device, a user manual for setup instructions, and sometimes a USB cable for power. It's a compact package designed for easy plug-and-play use. So let's start the setup process. Plug the PIXLINK device into a power outlet near your primary router to ensure a strong initial connection. Ensure the device is powered on, indicators should light up confirming it's operational. Now access the Wi-Fi settings on your computer or mobile device. Look for a network named PIXLINK or similar and connect to it. If prompted, enter the default password, which is typically 12345678. Launch a web browser on the device connected to the PIXLINK network. In the address bar, type 192.168.7.1 or setup.pix-link.net and press enter. When prompted, enter the default username and password, usually both are admin. Once logged in, you will see different mode options. Choose Repeater Mode, which allows the device to extend your Wi-Fi signal. Click Next or Scan for networks to proceed. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks nearby. Select your home Wi-Fi network, the one you want to extend. Enter the Wi-Fi password for your home network to allow the extender to connect. You may have an option to rename the extended network, e.g., HomeWiFi_XT, or leave it as default. Click Save or Apply to confirm. The PIXLINK extender will restart automatically to apply the settings. Once it powers back on, unplug it and move it to a location between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.